Alright guys, right now I'm gonna head over there to Luna LEDs. I'm gonna get the tail lights. I haven't revealed the front end. I still need to give you guys that. But I think there might be the vlog before this where I showed the hood. But I'm about to go get the tail lights. I know it's kind of dark in here. You can't really see me. It's fucking dark too. But I'm gonna head over there to Luna's right now and install that, and I'm gonna install some headlights. I mean some tweeters I have right there, some DS18s and some scars. So I should be doing that after I get back, or maybe tomorrow, the day before after this. But it's gonna be in the same vlog, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna head over there right now. So see you guys there.
Préndela. Baja las luces. Prende los cuartos. Direccional.
It's that boy Lil Mario, I'm finna go hit and clown. These fools finna lay it down.
Prende el lobby.
From that H-Town, I'm coming down so real, popping trunk, smoking kill. I'ma go ahead and show them boys, hit that man's field. I'm coming down
Prende Jaime.
north side, and this bitch we gon' wreck. Coming north side of Texas, coming down Houston, Texas. We coming down so real, popping pills. Staying so
Apalas.
cold in the game, smoking kill. I'm sipping
Prende
on
los
the
cuartos.
syrup. I'm riding Big Bird. I got to calm down, staying down with the herd. Lil Mario that broke them out, still got my stripes. I broke them boys out, sporting that blue and white. I don't sport the red, with some homestead. I was
La
calm
otra.
and the boy went fed. That's the Arbor Ray. I'm not from the damn trade, but I'ma calm down, smoke weed,
Quítala.
parlay. I'ma
Reversa.
calm down like a G. I broke the boys off, represent the GC. That's the Guard City, better yet the damn brick. I broke the boys off, I got rocks on my wrist. Dirt up in my piss,
Ya, wey.
a partner named Chris.
Alright guys, we're heading back home. Right now, we just got done getting the lights. Luna recorded the lights, like how they work and shit. And yeah, I'm heading back home. I'm gonna try to install the 4 tweeters. First, I'm gonna hit AutoZone and see if I could get more fucking what's it called, fucking cable connections and shit. Oh shit, my bad. It's all bouncy. A la verga. I need a fucking step notch for sure. But what's it called? Yeah, right now I'm heading home. As you guys saw, we got the lights front and back. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm home. What up, guys? Aquí andamos. Right now, this shit came in. Oh, corte. Cállate la verga. Bueno, chavos, this shit came in yesterday. I forgot to tell you guys I must install this too. I just need to take this one off. Ahorita les voy a enseñar cómo. Oh, ya se me olvidó donde dejé el puto screwdriver. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna fucking install the speakers, because I came over here to Orlando's. You guys already saw the tail lights, the headlights. Oh, and well, in that video you guys saw the hood, el nuevo hood que agarré. Nomás me falta pintar eso, paint it and shit. Ni modo. But yeah, guys, let me fucking find the screwdriver and then show you guys what you guys need to do. Should've. No, pues, chavos, perdí el screwdriver, no sé dónde lo dejé, pero I'm gonna try with this. So, ahí tiene clips. Aunque no me importa si se quiebra porque ya ganamos el nuevo. Ahí va un clip. Pero tiene clips all around. Ahí está. But the other one we're gonna have to be careful because it's brand new. No lo podemos dañar. A la verga. Que lo quiebre a la verga. Me va a salir peor. A ver, hay que intentar estos. Fuck, no, voy a intentar el flat, pero on this one, it came with the screws right here, so this one's gonna be harder. This shit should be looking clean and shit. A ver, I got it from right here first. A la verga. Casi lo quiero. Aunque ya no va a importar. Primero. Ya busqué el clip, pero ahí está, ahí va. El otro clip, ahí está. No mames, voy a quebrar esa madre. Oh, ya lo quebré, mira. Pinche vato. Fuck. Ya cuando, when you guys take this off, these should break. A little like stuff that go. Algo allí. Pero ya necesito el puto screwdriver. Ando grabando.
This is what you got?
Yeah. Porque mira el otro.
Oh, yeah.
Algo nuevo.
Oh, this is chrome too, though.
Sí. Oh, y luego este no, ¿que no?
Huh?
Ese no era negro.
No,
Oh, sí, pues salió mejor. Pero let me get the screwdriver. Cáele con el screwdriver.
You have it, nigga. You took it.
No, yo traigo el flat.
Oh, you want to keep it?
Sí. No, pues chavos. You guys are gonna have to use. Pues estos hay 4. Take those off and then put it on the other one. It's gonna be the little handle. Pues sí, that's about it. I might put this plastic on. Porque
Yeah, that's funny how you do that shit over there.
esto tiene los plastics ahí. That one doesn't have plastics, ¿no? Oh, sí trae.
Plastic for what?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're gonna lose the wireless charging. Oh, you don't have that shit either.
Oh, that one doesn't have the plastics covers. Chavos, ya quité el viejito y lo quité por esta manera. Ahora me falta el otro. Pues les voy a enseñar cómo se quita esa madre para ponerlo. Aunque nomás son los bolts aquí, pero trae un chingo a la verga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Saca tu wire cutter.
10 bots. Oh, allá está atrás. Allá está el puto wire cutter. No tiene balas.
It does.
No. No, necesita que está full. Pero yeah, guys, I'll show you guys when I take it off.
Last time you see this nigga's son on his phone.
A la verga. Usually it's his girlfriend. Pero mira, ya trae el hijo. Hey, ¿por qué no está el Josiah ahí? Ya sabemos cuál
No,
es.
wait, mira. Look. You slide right here. You
A
don't
la
slide right
verga.
because you don't gotta see that. Yeah.
No, bueno, chavos, ya les voy a enseñar. Corte, pues ya acabé ahí. Ya les puse todos los bots. Y así quedó. Let me just take out the plastic right here. La verga. Ahí quedó. Kind of darker than the other one, pero it looks way better que el otro. Y así quedó. Way better. Y acabé. Ahora me toca ayudarles allá.
This bucket.
You might have to. Or just put it over.
I can't.
Let me see, guys. Corte. Bueno, chavos, ya. We're putting it on.
Hey, where's the flathead? Did you put it on already?
I'm trying to.
This one's about to go in. Just need a
Este ya mero lo completo.
No, pendejo.
Este como que los clips los tenía quebrados.
No, it's supposed to slide in.
¿Es supposed to slide in?
It's supposed to slide up.
O entonces necesita que pararle para allá. Ponte los flejes.
He took it.
No, we'll try this. Aquí somos mexicanos, andamos haciendo mexicanadas. A la verga, me estoy atorando.
You want to try?
Kyle.
Don't scratch my carbon
No, I'm doing it.
Hey, wait. Hey, tell him what you told me, chava.
What? It's not real carbon.
It's not real carbon fiber.
Chill. It's his first time with the check.
Hey, you know why I don't buy real carbon fiber?
Because of that.
You saw
Show
my
them,
front
show
look?
them, show them.
Hey, shit. No, welcome. A la madre, Abraham sends you fucking TikToks and shit. Not even me, nigga.
No quiere entrar. A lo mejor vamos a tener que quitar esta madre, pero ahí tengo los toothpicks.
Los toothpicks. Toothpicks.
Los
Or
que van
the,
aquí.
yeah, the
Es que
picks.
ya quebré uno, güey.
Ya
Ahorita
quebraste
quebré
uno?
uno. But I don't know if I had the other one.
I stabbed myself with one, nigga.
Es que last time they did this to my truck like that, they broke the clips. Pero si tengo los toothpicks, de Didi. Es que este no quiere entrar, pero ya entró todo de este lado.
Which one, the back one?
The back ones. Pero de frente también ya entró media, halfway.
These are good, just that fucking bracket's fucking it up. The big ass bracket.
Y luego ya.
It's good, huh?
That shit looks good, yeah.
Dishwashing.
With the fake carbon fiber, this is gray and shit. No, mami, what type of carbon fiber is this shit, nigga? You're gay.
Es reflective.
It's reflective. Oh, shit.
Ooh.
What, nigga?
What? You want me to say what happened to you?
What happened to me?
You want me to say it in the video or what?
No, corte.
Wait, what are you talking? Oh, you talking?
Conte.
No, no toman, pinches vatos. Quisiera.
Dígales qué decimos, güey.
Ya fucking wrote on the fucking back of my seat and then my...
No, on the window, on the
Oh,
windows,
my
on the windows.
favorite.
Este, güey. No quiere quedar.
Mira, otra vez con el hijo en el wall screen and shit.
No, ya lo cambió.
Ya lo cambió, ¿verdad?
It went from Josiah to, no, I mean from Oscar to Josiah.
Changes by itself.
Chava, diga algo.
¿Ya?
Yeah.
El mío, ¿por qué no hace eso?
You need a new phone, nigga. You need the new version.
Saca tú, güey, saca tú.
No, pues chavos, ahí van. Ahí como ven. Got carbon fiber.
Fake.
Ni modo. Lo que se puede poner.
Le puede poner asientos, pero no le puede arreglar el motor o las bocinas.
Todo, bocinas,
Fuck you, nigga.
Ah,
I think his chala is talking in Spanish and this nigga's fuck. Hey, why you been talking in Spanish since you got here?
En los comentarios me pusieron que necesito que hable más español.
¿En serio?
No.
Hey,
Así se miraba bien, güey. Pero no quería hacer clip in. A lo mejor ya no tienen los clips. Tienen el main bracket, pero no. The little box. Pues habla del clip.
we're getting in action.
Did you get it in? Watch out with your carbon fiber. With fake carbon fiber, you said? Ni modo. Es lo que hay.
Can I take it off?
You can take out the carbon fiber, pero...
You trying to break the clip and just let it get in there?
Well, I can do that. A ver, deje buscar los toothpicks.
Just break this clip.
I know, but
Break this
what
clip.
was your knife?
You took it. It's on the floor.
It's over there. How does it open?
Flip it. Flip it.
Imagine it opens to me and catch me. You found?
A ver, güey. Hermano.
A la madre, he scratched the carbon fiber.
Fuck, nigga.
Pinche vato. A ver, quítate.
Go on top of me.
Oh, ahí lo va a dañar.
No, vato.
Oh, aquí.
Hey, chaval, you break it, you buy it.
No, pues ahí tengo el café.
No.
No.
It was a bitch getting this one. It was the last one. The other ones were all brown like Chavas.
Hey, you got it where?
Some guy, what's his name? Daniel something.
And he wanted the racers, that's why he...
Yeah. Ah!
Ahí va. Ahí va.
You got scared or what?
Yes, nigga. Wait,
No mames, ¿esto qué es?
Chill, bitch.
Ey, graba acá la luz.
Ah! Ah!
Ahí va.
That shit sounds so...
Ahí va. No, pero no, don't pull it, porque necesitas que pull it to the bottom.
That's it.
Hey, that's how you are over there, huh?
Ah.
Did it break any of the clips?
It feels like
Nigga, your hands look so old, bitch.
Huh?
It's like some 4K shit.
I can bitch what? My fingers go feel good inside though.
Hey, ya. Me van a quitar el puto video.
Nigga, they won't take your video down for that.
Why you guys going sexual and shit?
Look.
Ya me falta el último clip. Hey, sí, deja mi verga.
My favorite.
Y luego todo lo de... No digo nada porque se me van a tumbar todo el channel, la verga.
Shut up, famous guy.
Ahí está Mario.
You can't get it.
Your what?
No, pues chavos,
That's
ya.
your what?
Answer my babe. Look.
This nigga has responses.
Este güey, pues ya la puso este güey, el Orlando ya la puso adentro. Now it's time to put the shit on. A ver.
Do that side first, man.
Oh, yeah.
Chava.
What?
You full? Where you gonna take us out to eat tonight?
Güey, a mí se oh, fuck. Se me antojaron los mariscos that you guys went to.
She was expensive, huh, Chava?
Hey, Chava, what do you say to Orlando that for you to pay and shit?
Chava said.
No.
What do you say?
He said, let's go half.
Let's go.
Yeah. You guys jump started already?
Yeah.
You guys already jump started? No?
My car's battery's too little.
Oh, no, pues chavos, ya acabaron estos güeyes. Oh, yeah, done.
Bro, we need to wire this shit up. Or like, I need to take it to a shop.
What? The seats?
Yeah.
¿Por qué they don't work?
No. The seats are not.
They don't work with the old ones?
No.
Well, this one plugged in, the other one didn't. I say that it just needs more power to actually move it.
Yeah, I think
So
it
that's
might.
why I say we jump started.
But you check this way. Let's try it with your
Tomorrow.
Bueno, chavos, ya acabaron. You can see the carbon fiber. I think this is real carbon fiber. It passes. The back seats. Pretty sick. So ya no me falta eso. Pero hay mañana. Y un detail. You guys are gonna be the first to see this shit. Pero ahí va. Este güey está igual. All the mamalonas right here. And the car, the sick ass car.
Look, there he goes, showing off his tail lights.
Shut up, bitch. Sí, chavos.
It looks like it got changed.
Como pueden ver, chavos. What you guys are gonna see in the vlog, next vlog, we're gonna be trading this one and going to Mexico for a day. Huh? Oh, that's if I go too.
Nigga, 3.
No, the first day.
Huh?
On this Saturday.
Oh, this Saturday we're
Yeah. Oh, and then you guys are gonna see another vlog of us going to Mexico también.
Are you gonna go?
I'm going for that one for sure. But
Because what I said or what?
yeah.
Fuck you.
Well,
I said it to her like.
no, but you're still same shit. Yeah, cause you're still gonna pay the hotel, or no, I mean the house.
You're not gonna spend more than 2 lakhs.
Ahora pues.